You guys, welcome back. Do you have leftover red curry paste and unsure what else to make with it? Check this out. Today I'll be making Southern Thai crab curry smothered over vermicelli noodles. It's called ขนมจีน น้ำยาปู It's a little spicy and herbaceous from all of the aromatics used and packed with luscious crab meat. Let's get started. Bring water to a boil and add your vermicelli noodles in. It takes about 15 minutes to cook. Stir occasionally. Once cooked, rinse a few times in cold water and set aside. Let's prep the Southern Thai curry paste. Smash up some turmeric. And add in the red curry paste. This is homemade red curry paste, and I show you how to make it in another video, which I'll link in the description. Store-bought curry paste works well too, just be mindful of the saltiness. That's really it for the curry paste, and it's packed with flavor. Heat up some oil on medium heat. Add in your Southern Thai curry paste and toast it up a bit. In goes the coconut milk. We'll be adding in more in just a bit. In goes water, which is water that I poured into the mortar and pestle after smashing up the curry paste. It's full of flavor and natural oils, definitely use it. Depending on whether your curry paste is homemade or store-bought, the amount of fish sauce you'll need to add will vary. Taste and adjust as you go. Add in half of the crab meat and mix it in. Crab meat will impart its flavor into the curry and also absorb a lot of the herbs and spices used in the curry paste. No need to add sugar here. The coconut milk's and crab meat's natural sweetness is sufficient. And for more aromatics, we'll add some torn Kaffir Lime Leaves, which will infuse its citrus, floral aroma and flavor into the curry. One might think that there are not enough seasonings here, but remember the red curry paste I made is packed with grounded herbs, spices, and seasonings already. And the fish sauce adds an additional layer of complexity in saltiness and umami. Let's add in the other half of the crab meat. Southern Thai cuisine uses more turmeric in foods than any other region in Thailand, and therefore the vibrant gold colors that you often find in Southern Thai foods. Southern Thai crab curry is always served with a side of crunchy vegetables, lime, and chilies. Here I have Yardlong Beans, cabbage, Thai basil, red and green chilies, and a few lime wedges. Feel free to add any of these things in with your curry when you're ready to eat, for freshness, a kick, and texture. Here we have it, ขนมจีน น้ำยาปู. If you liked this video, please give it a like and leave me a comment below. I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.